Rice water is a milky liquid which is left after washing rice. It has been used traditionally in the treatment of hair. Applying rice water to the hair is one of the best treatments to get long and strong hair. It provides adequate nourishment to the hair and reduces hair damage. Rice water contains a good amount of amino acids which helps the hair to become strong and adds volume to the hair. The benefits of applying rice water to hair are: 1. Prevents hair damage. Rice water helps to prevent hair damage. It provides a shield to the hair and ensures that the hair does not break often enough. It also protects the hair from the harmful sun rays, pollution and dust. 2. Leads to hair growth. Rice water helps to initiate hair growth and also prevents hair loss. The presence of vitamin B, C, E enriches hair and helps the hair to grow fast. 3. Reduces split ends. Rice water contains protein in a good amount, so therefore it helps to prevent the occurrence of split ends in the hair. Applying rice water at least 3 times a week makes your hair split end free. 4. Reduces dandruff. Dandruff or bacterial infection in the scalp often becomes the cause of worry for all. Washing hair with rice water helps to get rid of dandruff from the hair. It also prevents itching and dryness of the hair. 5. Makes hair soft and silky. Rice water makes the hair soft and silky. Rinsing your hair in rice water helps to give a luster along with softness to the hair. So this is why you should apply rice water to your hair to grow them.